Welcome to Bionet. Today we will discuss the important chapter, that is cell cycle and cell division. Cell cycle. What is called cell cycle? Cell cycle. It is the life cycle of living things. This is the life cycle. Life cycle of living organisms. And the cell cycles need to divide the cell, divide the cell, and also replicate the cells, organelles. And during this cell cycles, gradually what happened? The cell cycle takes place both prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. It takes place in both prokaryotic cell, that means bacterial cell. Prokaryotic cell means bacterial cell, and also eukaryotic cells. So it takes place both eukaryotic cells, especially the nucleated cells, organisms. So next to come to the phase of the cell cycle, the phase of cell cycle. This phase of cell cycle, it is divided into two phases. One is called interphase, another is called M phase. So cell cycle divided into two phases. One is called interphase, and another is called M phase. M phase means mitosis phase. M phase, and this is also called as mitotic phase. Now this interphase is subdivided into G1 phase, next is S phase, and third is G2 phase. So interphase is divided into G1 phase. G1 phase means gap 1 phase. S phase means synthetic phase, synthesis, DNA replication takes place, and G2 phase, the growth of the organisms takes, the organelles. So these three are part of interphase. Like that, you come to the M phase. So mitosis phase, divided into the two. One is called division of cytoplasm, that is called cytokinesis. One is called cytokinesis, means division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm. And another is called karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. This karyokinesis is again subdivided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and last is called telophase. Now this cell cycle, it has two phases, interphase and M phase means mitotic phase. The interphase, it is consist of G1 phase, gap 1 phase, S means synthetic phase, and G2 means gap 2 phase. Like that, matrices or M phase, it is consist of cytokinesis and karyokinesis. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Again, the division of nucleus further divided into prophase. First is called prophase, second is metaphase, third is anaphase, and fourth is telophase. Yes, this is the cell cycle, structure of cell cycle. The eukaryotic cell cycle was described by Howard and Palek in 1953, and the cell cycle is consists of, already discussed, of interphase and M phase. Here to start, here to this total up to here, it is called interphase. and this part is called M phase. So first of all discuss about the duration of the cell cycle and different in different organisms. So duration, come to duration. Duration means time period. So duration of a cell cycle for human being, it is 24 hours. In this 24 hours, the 95% is covered with the interphase. 95% of timing is need for interphase. Only just 5% is time is allowed for that M phase. That means in 24 hours it will just divide, means 23 hours they took interphase and 1 hour only for that M phase. M phase means the mitosis. So mitosis will be complete 1 hour and 23 hours they need for interphase. That's why in cell cycle the interphase is the duration of interphase will be more. And like that you come to that yeast cell. You can tell the yeast cell. The duration of cell cycle is 90 minutes, not 1 hour. So 90 minutes. So sometime you can divide that. 90 minutes means 60 minutes, 1 hour. So 1.5 hour. The time will be 1.5 hours to complete the cell cycle in yeast. Like you come to that bacteria. So bacteria will be complete. It's a life cycle that is within 20 minutes need to complete the life cycles. So these are the duration of the cell cycle for different organisms. The time will be vary from organism to organism, cell to cell. Now come to the here part that here. First, it is divided into. I already discussed that interphase divided into G1, S, and G2 phase. First, come to that about that G1 phase. So, what are the characteristic feature? They start in G1 phase. G1 phase means gap 1 phase. This is also called as post mitosis because M means mitosis. After this will start. So that's why it is also called as post mitotic phase. Post mitotic phase. G1 phase, it is also called gap 1 phase, or it is also called as post mitotic phase. So during this phase, what happens? The cells, the organelles which are there, cell will become more active or metabolic activity. Metabolic active. Cell will be metabolically active in G1 phase, and also that it is also called as a preparative phase of DNA replication. So what are the needed for the DNA replication? So DNA replication they need some, you can find out that histone protein. So histone protein synthesis in S phase, synthetic phase. So it is one of this. Then I come to that. Histone protein after they need for here RNA. RNA means ribonucleic acid, and also they needed for that nucleotides, and also they synthesis that some enzymes, and also here they can synthesize some of the hormones. So these things are synthesis in a G1 phase, gap phase. In this place what happened? The cell start to grow. Cell start to grow. But it should not be divided or increase the size only. And after immediately what is G1 phase, sometime that some of the cell undergo G0 phase. So here that meaning of the G0 phase, we can say this here G0 phase, that is called a quiescent phase. In this phase what happens? the cell further never divide, or it will not continue the cell cycle. So what happens? G naught phase, in this place, some of the cell, for example nerve cells and also muscle cells. So you know all of that. Nerve cells, once it is developed means second time never it replicate. So it is only one time can divide. Afterwards division will be stopped for the nerve cell. So you see the nerve cell, the division should be not take place under muscle cells. So these nerve cells and muscle cells, after G1 phase they go to G0 phase. G0 phase means stop the division. They never divide further. So this type of cells, they will continue the life cycle interface. They stop here only. Further division not there. So G0 phase. But here the cells become more active or metabolically active in G0 phase. Next you come to the S phase. You come to S. S phase means you come here. Here S phase. So the G0 phase, it will be completed with 50% of duration they need to complete here. After come to the S phase. S phase will be completed 20 to 30% of the interphase. So S phase means synthetic phase. So here one important point is during this phase, replication of DNA takes place. DNA replication, and here another point is called, I allowed here the histone proteins. So histone proteins are initiated here, but the synthesis here, they utilize here histone protein. Histone proteins and DNA replication takes place in where? S phase. But here one thing is the DNA can increase the number or double. Replication means duplicate. The DNA will be just it will be suppose 2C, it will make into 4C. Doubling of DNA takes place. You know all of the replication of DNA. So one DNA is there. This is one DNA. After replication, they produce that 2 DNA. So these two are called daughter DNA. Now the parent DNA is divided to form two daughter DNA. So the synthesis of DNA takes place where in S phase. In this phase, the synthesis of replication or duplication of DNA takes place. But important points, remember that they will ask the questions here. What is the chromosome number? They will ask. In S phase, any changes of chromosome number means no change of chromosome number. Very, very important this point. So no change of chromosome number. So chromosome number will be same. But one thing what happens, chromosome can divide. Now this is a chromosome. The chromosome number will be same. But here the chromosome is divided to form two chromatids. These are called chromatids. So how many chromatids they form is 2 chromatids they forms. Chromosome is same. They divide into 2 chromatids, and these chromatids are attached here by presence of centromere. This is called centromere. Now during S phase what happens? The centromere divide, and 50% of the centromere is moved to that is chromatids. So centromere divide, chromosome is same, chromosome divided into chromatids, but number of chromosome only that 1. There is no change of chromosome. Only the DNA replication or synthesis takes place. Where in S phase. So S phase after you come to that here. DNA synthesis takes place, and another important point is I wrote shortcut here CD. CD means what? Centriole divide. So here CD means centriole. Centriole divide. So division of centriole takes place. Where is the centriole is present? That is present in the nucleus, above the nucleus. One centrosome is there, that is centrosome inside the centrosome centriole. So the division of centriole takes place where in S phase. Remember the 2 points. One is called during synthesis of DNA replication, S phase, replication of DNA takes place, and no change of chromosome, and the chromosome divided into chromatids, centromeres divide, and also here the centriole division takes place. These are the points takes place inside the S phase, synthetic phase. Next, after it will go to G2 phase. So see that G2. G2 means it is called growth 2 phase or gap 2. So G2 is a gap 2 phase. During this phase, same thing is there. The cells metabolically it is more active. Metabolic it is more active, and here in this important points, duplication of a cell organism takes place. It is very very important. Duplication of cell organelles. What is the meaning of cell organelles? For example, one mitochondria is there, means it is developed to produce the two mitochondria. Like that, one chloroplast, it divided into two. Like so, these things are takes place. Duplication of cell organelles takes place by which fission methods, not fusion, fission. In fission process, cell organelles will be increased or duplicated. Where in G2 phase. So that's why this is G2 phase. It is also called as pre-mitotic phase. Here I already wrote that G1 phase, gap 1 phase. It is called post-mitotic phase means after M phase mitosis it will be start. That's why it is called post-mitotic phase. Like that same thing here. This is the ending of the interphase, which is G2 phase, and the G2 phase need 12 to 16% duration of this interphase. And in the G2 phase, what happens? Growth of the cells takes place and differentiation of the cells takes place. Changes takes place, that modification. And also here that in this G2 phase, it is also called as pre, means before mitosis. That is called pre-mitotic phase. G2 phase it is also called as pre-mitotic phase. After these three phases, this phase is completed, it undergo for the next mitosis. Now M means mitosis. Mitosis it is divided into four stages. What are the substages? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase together called karyokinesis, followed by cytokinesis. Here I wrote the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis, after they produce how many daughter cells? Two cells. The two cells undergo here. This is called resting phase, or you can say interphase. In interphase, it is also called resting phase. Resting phase means there is no change of division of the cell, but here the metabolically active and the organelles will be developed perfectly, and it is again ready for the next mitosis. That's what it is called. Interphase is the inter between the mitosis, or it is the interval between the one mitosis and another mitosis. Between the two mitosis, the middle part of the cell cycle is called interphase. Interphase is the in between the two mitosis. So this all about the cell cycles. So cell cycle, it is one of the important points. Some points here asked, they will, what the points means, they will ask, first question they will ask, what is Q naught? Q naught means in this, which type of cells become more active but never divide? Means, you give the example, nerve cell and muscle cells. These two are undergo that G naught phase. G naught phase takes place in between. Means, it is followed by immediately by G1 phase. G1 phase after, it will be G2 phase. In G naught phase, G1 after G naught phase, then they will ask the S phase. What is called S phase? S phase means it is called the synthetic phase. DNA replication takes place, and the S phase will come in between G1 and G2. G1 and G2, middle is called S phase. Sometimes they will ask which phase, interphase will be there in between M phase and S phase. S phase and M phase means G2 phase. Sometimes they will ask in cytokinesis to S phase, which phase will be there? Means G naught phase. Sometimes they will ask the sequence. Sequence means interphase start with G1, then G naught, then S, then G2. So this is first option. Second option suppose is there G2 and next G naught and S like. So like that different types of question they will ask here. So remember these points. So synthesis of organelles and hormones takes place in G1 phase, growth 1 phase, gap 1 phase, and S phase, synthesis of DNA takes place and central division takes place. And here there is no change of chromosome number. Next here the G2, it will be complete 12 to 16% of this, and growth of the cells takes place and differentiation of the cells takes place. So this is all about the cell cycles. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Upcoming videos I will continue this chapter, that is cell division.